Gang, you see that lump? Man, I see it from right there. Y'all see that? And guess who's gonna fix it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What it do, 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 what it does. Y'all know what time it is, man. Back with another video. And y'all know what today is, man. Today is Monday. It's gonna be a Taco Monday if the taco truck is there, man. And look, man, I had a situation, man, before I left, man, because my little bitty shortstop, you know what I'm saying? She was highly upset me leaving without her today. I think she had a great time at the car show on Saturday, and she, like I said, car show, and she was highly upset, gang. She was highly upset, and you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you why she was really upset, cause I got my player partner over there. So yeah, I'm trying to show him what she knows and how the way she acts and everything at the car show. So the only way for me to, you know what I'm saying, have him do it is that I gotta take him. You know what I'm saying? He's real, he just like her. And y'all see him, man, he got them bows on him. Y'all see what the time it is, man. Y'all see what time of the pressure is back there, man. But he a little different. He hard-headed, man. I know he act like that because he a boy, man. He real hard-headed. And like I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? I know he's still gonna be hard-headed, but I'm trying to like ease him up out of it, man. You know what I'm saying? He listens real good. He just hard-headed. Like if you call him, he gonna come when he ready. You know what I'm saying? He'll probably walk around the whole car show and you be calling his name and he'll come walk up to you like, act like he didn't hear you. Like a bad kid. You know what I'm saying? That way with it. But y'all know what time it is, man. We on our way to the latest cruise on Monday evenings. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So on that note, man, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. And y'all know I'm gonna bring that content, man. And y'all know every time we go there, is some type of legendary car there, man. You know what I'm saying? And we also in Lamonia weather right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know yesterday it was in the 60s. Day before that it was in the 60s. Today is in the 80s, man. So if you out there, man, I suggest you have a little light sweater on or something, man, to keep your body at a certain temperature so you don't get sick, man. So that's what I got on right now. And y'all see I got my Merry Frenchy Gang shirt on. It's only right. It's only right. You know what I'm saying? You got to represent for your people, man. If your people out there getting it together, man, and they doing all that, man, you got to make sure you tap in with them, man. If they selling t-shirts, get a t-shirt. If they selling hats, get a hat. Even if they got their daughters out there selling lemonade and their daughters is trapping the lemonade out, make sure y'all get y'all some lemonade, man, and make sure y'all look out, man. On that note, man, I'm finna pull up on another legendary spot because we working our way to the situation, man. But y'all stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Sir, y'all know what time it is, man. I told y'all I still got my job, man. A lot of people actually be asking me, like, why you ain't been to work? I am at work, man. So now I got a job. I just work off the phone. I'm in sales right now. But I had to come up here, man, and show y'all, look, man, if your rim is sideways and it's doing and you can't get no other rim and they discontinue, let me show you something. Gang, you see that lump? Man, I see it from right there. Y'all see that? And guess who's gonna fix it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see what time it is, man. See, look.
Get it all rounded up again.
Guess how he fixed it, though? You know how many cigarettes he had while he was fixing this? Y'all see what time it is, man. Hold on. Lawnmowers, some toys. The message, man, my phone. Let me see if I got some. Oh, it ain't doing it now. Oh boy, we got some life in the phone now, man. Hey, look, y'all want to know the problems with people on YouTube and they filming videos? The most headache thing is running out of storage space on your phone at the wrong time of filming. Or your phone is overheating and it get hot. You don't want them problems. As long as I can record right now, I don't care.
You got memory?
Yeah, it's going now.
One hour later.
I can get a little footage for y'all.
homies that ride for me. All the homies that slide for me. I can never take back all the shit we been through. And I hope you feel this love that I'ma send you. Loyalty ain't the same now. They do anything for a name now. That's why we finna shut the game down. This got nothing to do with fame now, yeah.
I'm a family in the Midwest, it's gon' be alright. And all my family way back home, it's gon' be alright, yeah. I'm on this grind and you know I do it all for you. All the stress and I go through, for all the reasons that I'm going hard for. Know that those things bout you, oh yeah. So I'ma slide on your blow one with you. We know everything gon' be good. And I'ma pull up and come fuck with you. All these memories from back in my hood. And plans don't always go the way they should, yeah. But we gon' always be, I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright, alright. Hey, ma, I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright, alright. Ooh, and I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright, alright.
Look, they'll never understand us. Mama's worried about her sons out there being shot by the cops and he got his hands up. That's why I keep the plans up. Working in this business got me caught up. Don't forget to hit your fam up. I wanted to be a celebrity. Now I wanna live in peace and be free with the breeze in the trees. Don't want no problems, please let me breathe. You don't wanna be a body in the street for my family.
I'm on this grind and you know I do it all for you. All the stress and I go through, for all the reasons that I'm going hard for. Know that those things bout you, oh yeah. So I'ma slide on your blow one with you. We know everything gon' be good. And I'ma pull up and come fuck with you. All these memories from back in my hood. And plans don't always go the way they should, yeah. But we gon' always be, I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright, alright. Hey, ma, I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright, alright. Ooh, and I promise it's gon' be alright. Alright, alright.
We all feel low sometimes, but don't let that blow your mind. You gotta let it go, stand firm, gotta press the line. Everything's gonna turn out fine. Bang to the boot, you don't need no brakes for that. Just relax, let it dip and slide. Might as well buckle up for this, cause it's gonna be a hell of a ride. Yeah, heard you was speaking on the low-low. Hey, little nigga, thanks for the promo. Grown man chill, but my homies on go-go. Put a line around you like white walls on a low-low. Say you the best, but that shit sounds so-so. You a brat, that shit is fucking up your mojo. Let that shit go, that shit is fucking.
Sir, y'all see what type of time we on, man. They didn't have a taco truck out today, man, but I finally tried those egg rolls. Magnificent, that's all I can say. Definitely gonna try them again. And I believe I had Philly steaks. Never really cared for an egg roll before, but today I tried one, man. It kind of tastes like a chimichanga burrito, man. But look who I got finally walking. He finally walking. At first I had to carry him, guys, because he was loving the people and attention and all that. Check him out. He's actually walking now. The little lion is on the move. Y'all see it. Ready to close the video out, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all check me out. Let's get it.